Hey bestie, Trina here. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so guys, as you know, fall is approaching. Here in Miami, unfortunately, we don't get to experience fall like most of you guys watching me do. But fall is definitely one of my favorite times of the year. And it is simply because I love dark, vampy lips. I love the colors of fall. But unfortunately, here in Miami, I don't get to really experience it. But I do experience it in my makeup and in my decor at home, guys. So I was in Walgreens the other day and I saw that Milani had released some Amore Matte of a fall collection, and I was so happy. So I tried some of these colors out. I am wearing one today. So as you can read from the title, this is going to be a lip swatch that I will get to in a second. But I did want to let you guys know a little bit about the Amore Matte lipsticks. So these guys retail for $7.99. I don't think the formula has changed much, but what I will say with this formula is if you like your lipsticks to not move, these are definitely the good girlfriends for you. However, you cannot layer these a lot. Also, you need to make sure you put on a lip balm or something like that to keep your lips hydrated so that they're not too dry for you. If you layer this, I experienced a really horrible experience. I put like 3 coats of this on and it literally began to crumble on my lips. Like literally I can take my finger and just rub this very color that I'm wearing right now. I can literally rub it off and it just crumbled off. So I would not necessarily layer these. You probably just want to go in twice with these, the darker colors at least. You probably just want to go in at least twice and that's it. Let it dry down. Once it dries down, it will not move, girl. I love these things. Like I said, they dry down really matte and they don't move. But with the darker colors, I did experience with the one I'm wearing today, which is in Dearest. I'm wearing Dearest on my lips right now. This one did, if you layer this one, it will it doesn't layer good. It's just going to start beginning to crack and it's ugly, y'all. It is not a good sight, okay? Also, at the end of the video, you do want to watch this to the very end, girl, because I do have 2 bonus lippies that I picked up, and they were not Milani's, but it is from another fall collection. And I am, like I said, I am here for the dark, vampy lips, girl. Yes, honey, I am here for it. So if you want to see my lippies, make sure you keep watching. Also, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get this to 100 subscribers. Yes, honey, yes, let's go. Hit that little subscribe button. Yeah, girl, you can do it. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. I'll wait. Go ahead. Yeah, thanks, girl. So yeah, I also make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. It is Trina Felicia. And until next time, I love you guys and the girls, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.